Basically, we're anticipating him moving in. You notice you're throwing a lot of kicks and your opponent's moving in. So this is one of the basic combinations with a kick followed by a punch. So generally, we're just going to go from the rear leg. We're going to just do a low kick, a low round kick. So as we do the round kick and my leg is retracting, that hip is coming forward for the left hook. That's the timing. I have two links down below, one for the low kick and one for the lead hook, just so you understand both of those techniques. But as we're here, and I'm kicking, this is what it's for. A lot of opponents will advance, okay? And we're just getting the timing of that. Here, this is a feeling out move. So if I'm doing a lot of low kicks and he's starting to advance, okay? So now I know. Makes sense? So we're going to go slow motion here. This doesn't just have to be a lead hook. It can also be, if you need more distance, your lead straight. We're here, if you need a little more distance, or just, it doesn't matter as long as I'm syncing my hips up. But a lot of people will start to throw it at the wrong time. We're here, and they'll start to, but let your hips, okay? So that's the concept.
The thinking behind it is that a lot of the times, instead of just checking, someone will try to come in on your leg kicks. So that'll, if you come in while they're doing your leg kick, you can get inside of where they're doing damage and get close to hit them. This is basically just the counter to that.
Absolutely. Your average opponent's just going to try to rush a leg kick. It's not a smart strategy, but it's generally what happens. You'll even see it in professional fighting. A lot of guys are just trying to just come in. The problem with that, he'll be taking damage if he does that, and